Okay, we got our head, we got our mouth, we cut this part off because we don't need this anymore, and we've sanded this all down. So now we get a good fit in here and how I wanted this to go. We've put a hook in here, you can see it. That's for our spring to attach to at the top of the head. The next thing we're going to do is we got these 3 blocks we cut out, and this is going to be for our neck. Just going to go in here. So we're going to glue these together, let them dry, sand it off, and then we'll glue it into the top of the head. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put it in my comment section. I'll get back with you. So we'll glue these together, clamp them down, let it set overnight. Then we'll come back and sand it down around the edges. And then we'll glue it into the neck portion. This. And like I say, just make it snug till you get your clamps on so it doesn't slide on you, because we're doing these 3 pieces together. Like I say, we're going to let this set up and dry real good, and then we'll sand it down and mount it where it goes. Thanks for watching.